National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ward County in north-central North Dakota, Bottineau County in north-central North Dakota, Pierce County in north-central North Dakota, McHenry County in north-central North Dakota, Rolette County in north-central North Dakota, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Surris to 5 miles northwest of Willow City to 4 miles south of Towner to 7 miles east of Elba to 5 miles northeast of Max, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rugby, Bottineau, Rolla, Velva, Dunseith, Rolette, Towner, Westholt, Sawyer, St. John, Drake, Granville, Anamoose, Willow City, Upham, Newburgh, Max Bass, Denby, Karlsruhe, and Valta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.